guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn on post approval request before publishing into your WordPress website for free. So imagine the following scenario. You have some editors, some writers, some authors, and they can write content for your blog, okay? You have a multi-authors blog. But you would like to read the content and approve it before it goes live. How to do this into a simple, fast and effective method into your WordPress. This is what you're gonna learn, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After, please take a moment to go on your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin, okay? Into the upper right corner of the screen, there is a field called search plugins. Click and type publish press checklist, just like this. Scroll down and here is the guide we are looking for, publish press checklist. Prep publishing approval. Click on activate button. This is gonna redirect you to this part right here. All you have to do is review this middle sidebar next to post to have title, content, approval, image, featured image, links, permalinks, categories, tags, and custom. Go to approval. Task. Approved by user from this rule. Required. Who can ignore this text? Nobody. Options. Administrator. So the administrator gonna be the admin of your site, gonna be the one who can approve other posts, okay? Save change. Now we have the rule. So if anyone try to write a post, it's gonna be on draft, and you as the admin of your site gonna need to approve it or not. You're gonna need to moderate the post. I have only an admin user rule approved by administrator. If you see the post editor as an editor, as an author, as a contributor, you're gonna be able to see this button right here, okay? And I as admin need to mark this button in order to publish the content, okay? If I do not mark this button as admin, and the post won't be able to be published, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!